Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Atomic Drill Combo Kit. This kit comes with the Atomic Drill, 20 volt max, a 20 volt max impact driver, two 1.5 amp hour batteries, bag, and basic charger. For this review though, we're just going to talk about the drill. So next review, we're going to do the impact, which is a little smaller, but we'll get into that in another review. And I'll chuck these batteries in here. The charger, I never really use these because I use the fast chargers, so these just kind of get chucked into a box. So we're just going to be looking at the Dewalt 20 volt max brushless atomic drill. The main reason I got this actually is because my other drill I have, which is similar to this, I just burnt it out. Literally the motor caught on fire. I just overloaded it too much and yeah, chucked that in the garbage. So I got this little guy and I haven't even used it yet. Literally I'll be using it for the first time here. So what I'm going to do is I've got one of these max speed bits from, who is this from? Irwin. And I've never used this bit, it's brand new. So we're gonna do some tests on some 2x6, just drilling through it, see how it handles. But the drill itself, it's got two speeds, like most drills, 1 and 2. It's got a chuck on it, and it also has a clutch here, so you can start all the way down at 1 for your resistance. That way you don't strip out screws. That's essentially what this is for. All the way up to drilling. It does have a light down on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. And it's got some nice rubber overmold, so if you drop it, it won't bust. It comes with a belt clip, so you can put it on either side. And the model number is DCD708. So that's the model. The max, what's the RPMs on this? 0 to 450 minimum, 0 to 1650 minimum RPMs. To be honest, I never look at the RPMs. If I need a lot of power, I'm using my whole hog, and I'm pretty much always using my impact driver. And I mean, these are really handy for doing holes and stuff, but for me, I don't use them that often, to be honest. But yeah, let's take a look. I'm gonna drill some 2x6 here and we'll see how it makes out. Okay, so first we'll just drill on the flat, and then I'll do a drill right through the edge just to load it up as much as I can. Okay, so right on 2 stalls, and I'm gonna say that's probably because of the battery. We'll put it on 1. So no problem there. I'm going to switch this battery out for a 5 amp hour just to get the most, the maximum amount of power, because I find these small batteries, they're not that great. I like the 3 amp hours, but these 1.5s are just kind of useless to me. So I grabbed a 5 amp hour battery, a little more powerful, fully charged. So now we're going to drill another hole here, and let's just see how it makes out. I'm going to switch it to level 2 on the speed. See the difference? Got to have the right battery. The 1.5s, the 2 amp hours, they just don't cut it when you're drilling big holes. You're just going to kill the battery in a second. It probably isn't good for it either. I would only use the smaller batteries if you're putting in screws, doing cabinet work, that type of stuff. So let's drill another hole. I'll just show you here. So I'm impressed. It's better than my last drill, that's for sure. Let's try and go all the way down. Try and bog this thing out a bit. So it kind of stopped once I got to the end, but that's mainly because it wasn't clearing the wood chips. I think this is a great drill. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, I'll know more once I put this thing through the paces. Got to get it on site and let all the guys handle it and see what they think. But you know, it's nice. It's compact. You know, it's fairly small. I'd say that's about 5-6 inches. It's light, super light, easy to hook on your belt. And I do like the little light. So for cabinetry, this could be a pretty good drill. Or just for all around, like if you're an electrician, you're plowing lots of holes, this could be really nice to have. Again, the atomic versions, I would love to know why they call it atomic and it's just not another drill. I get it with the other saw, the 4.5 inch. That's just a totally different saw. It's less power than skill saws, blah, blah, blah. And so I'm guessing that's the same with the drill. It's just a little bit less power. For you guys who really want to know about the power, as I said, it's the RPMs max here is 1650. So if you want to zoom in on that, you guys could check it out. But for me, it's mostly, is it going to perform well? And do I like the feel of it? Is it not going to catch on fire and burn out on me? But yeah, it feels pretty good. So I'd recommend this drill. Definitely just through these little holes that I was doing there. It handles it pretty nice. So, all right guys, that's it. If you like the review, give us a like, subscribe, ring that little notify bell. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll see you in the future.